Am I visible to you?
Okay, sir. Yeah, you are visual and you are audible. Both are. Okay, sir. Okay,
So,
sir. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
yeah, good afternoon, madam. I'm doing well. I'm doing excellent. What about you?
Yeah, I am doing great, sir. Thank you for asking me. Yes, sir. So, sir, we are meeting. I think, yeah, second time, but it was very long time. So, I would
Mm.
like to know about again. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure, definitely. So, my name is Amdi Jrail. I am from Bihar. I am intermediate pass. If I talk about my hobbies, so I love to travel, I love to talk new people, and I love to learn new things. I have a small YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos, and I have been running YouTube channel for last 6 months. And I am doing work in the Kuwait. Right now, I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. Yeah, that's all about me, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good to hear you. You are doing good job as well as you are also doing job and as well as learning this language. So I think it is good for you, sir. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. If I work today, so definitely,
Yes.
one day my result will come in front of me.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. Yeah, I agree your point.
I also want to know about you for my viewer, if
Okay,
you
sir.
could.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And let me introduce myself. My name is Jyoti. I'm talking to you from MP. If I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation as well as B.Ed. I have also cleared CETED exam, and apart from that, I am mother of one person. I am homemaker, and nowadays I have created my channel where I upload like a conversational video and some vocab like my my YouTube channel is very small, and
Hmm.
so yes, this is this is all about from my side, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So it happens, madam. Everyone starts YouTube channel from the zero.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah,
When they started uploading video, and when they start uploading video on their channel, so they will they grow slowly because we
yeah.
are human,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir. Just I have created my channel for learning purpose. I don't have any intention for like anything, viewer, subscriber, anything. Just I want to improve myself. I want to remove my hesitation.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you get you can say new subscriber. Okay. So how do you feel at that moment?
Yeah, when I get like new subscriber, when I comment, when I get someone comment, so that times I feel that they are motivating me, and so I yeah, so I feel good at that times. I also yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Same,
yes,
when I get new subscriber at that time, I get so happy, and I thought, oh my God, my English is good. Okay.
yes, yes,
That's
yeah,
why
yeah.
they
We should work.
get to
Yeah,
subscribe.
keep doing. Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Because we human being, when you new thing, so we get happy.
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah. Yeah,
Mhm.
this is a new. Yeah, this is. It will take time, I know, but without trying, without practicing, we can't. We have to like come out of the zone. Come
Yeah, you are saying right. And first of all, you have to make yourself strong. Okay,
yes, yes.
have to make your goal strong. Okay,
Mm.
and according your goal, you have to do practice every single day. Okay.
Yes, yes,
And if you do practice every single day, so definitely, one day your result come in front of you, and you at that you say, I got a result. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah,
yes,
and practice is the most important. Okay.
yeah,
Practice is a new success of key. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
lots of person, they start, YouTube channel from the zero, and and they are growing, slowly. I have seen
Yeah,
lots of people. They
yeah,
start.
yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I have seen lot of people nowadays they are also learning money. They have started from zero, but now they are also earning money. They are able to speak very like native speaker. They are very fluent, and so yeah, without practicing, without taking any steps, you can't do anything, you can't achieve.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. And I have one question, madam. When you can say we are beginner, when you face in a new person, and when we try to take session with a new person, at that time we have a hesitation, fear. Okay,
Yes.
so why is doing like this?
Yeah, because that times because our knowledge, lack of knowledge, lack of practice, we feel fear, and gradually, slowly, when we start our practice, that times we feel ourselves like confidence we can do. And it happens in our initial day, because we
Mm,
don't know how to practice, how to talk with people, and while interacting with the peoples every day, having conversation, and you can remove a lot of things.
mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you. And if you have, lots of knowledge, if you have lots of vocabulary, okay,
Yes.
and
uh,
if you know how to speak in it, how to deal with stranger people, so
yeah.
definitely, at that time you can say you will not have, fear and hesitation, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Also, I had fear, hesitation, okay, and I was shy person, okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Slowly,
Same.
slowly, you can say I removed, my heditation.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. So,
So
sir,
it
so do you
happens.
have topic, sir?
Okay. Yes, I have. I have one topic. Would you like to talk on the topic?
Yes, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
definitely, sir. I will try.
Okay. The topic is what is the different, madam, rural area and urban area?
Yeah, rural area and urban area, like village area and city area. You want to
Yes.
say?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if I talk about sir, I think according to me, both are topic is importance for our life, like village area and city area. And if I talk about city area, so I prefer to live village area, and
Okay.
because village area is very peaceful life and enjoyable life. There is less noise, and there is a, like you can say, we can get pure environment, we can live peaceful life, and so there is and if I talk about like village life, so village life is a like fully hustle and bustle life, and like you can say crowded, and very crowded, and we if cities peoples, they don't have a time to talk with you. And
Yes.
if I talk about like village, so they are very kindness, they are very, they have a like helpful nature. They
Mm-hmm.
support you, they always stand you if you are getting some problem somewhere. So they always stand in front of you. And if I talk about city, so you can't survive without money. If you have a like money, then you can survive. And if you are living city area, so you can get many facility, many job, high education, and hospital
Mm-hmm.
facility. And there are a lot of things like environment, everything you can get. And if I talk about village area, so we all know that there is no any facility like good education, good health care, and transport, like about road, anything. And
Mm-hmm.
so and you can survive their life very good way, without, if you are not doing job, so you can survive their life easily. And yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Whatever you said, it is totally right. Okay, I'm totally agree with you. And definitely, said, the city person, they don't have lots of time, and they are eating, junk food because of the lack of the
Yeah.
time. Okay,
Yeah.
because they're doing hard work, isn't it? And in the city, city has a vast population, and because of the
Yes.
population, eh,
Yeah.
they have lots of in city has lots of pollution.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
the city people, you can they don't want to spend their time friendly and family, isn't it?
Yeah.
You
Yes.
said that, right, city people have, lots of facilities like good educational, good hospitals, good, we can the vehicle, and
Yeah.
are lots of, big mall, in the
Yes.
city, the work, company, so many things. And there are lots of people are living in city, yeah, because of the, because of job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because.
If you want to find, if you want to find a job, okay, in village area, so you can't find. But if you want to find job in city area, so very
Yeah.
soon you will get job.
Yeah. You can find easily very all kind of job according to your situation, according to your education.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And lots of people, they live, village area, and they want to settle in city
Yes.
area because of,
Yes.
because of the job.
Yes. Yes.
And if I say, village area, village is the smallest rural settlement area. A village
Yeah.
has natural beauty. A village has a lack of population. It is away from all types of pollution. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yeah.
village people have, peaceful life. They are
Yeah.
ready to help other, at all times. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So,
That's why I like, I like, village area. And I like to live in a village area. And if I say, rainy season, when it rains in village area, I can say, rainy season. So a village, looks like, so green because there are lots of, green grass. There are lots of tree. Okay,
yeah.
and, there are lots of you can road, and the road are unmetalled in village area. Do you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I'm a
so we can
villager.
get lot of like good. You can maintain your health also if you are living village area, and you can get fresh water, fresh air, and fresh vegetable, milk, everything. So you can maintain your health.
Yeah, definitely. Because they, you see, village has, lots of, lack of, population. That's why,
Yes. Yeah.
village people, like to grow, green vegetable. They like to eat green vegetable, always. That's why.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Lots of, there are lots of things in village area. And
Yeah. Yeah.
so you start that, you like to live, a village area.
Yes, sir, because I used to live in my childhood. So yeah, I also want to live.
Okay, okay. Because we are, I think we are villager, right?
Yes,
I
yes.
can say we did not live in a city, right?
Yeah,
When
yeah,
when
and
you
yeah,
or when you we were born, after that we started living in village area. That's why,
yeah,
we like village area. But if you say, can say, city people, where do you want to live? They will say, Alvin, I want to live in city area, because
yeah,
they are, they have become habitual to live in city area. That's why.
yeah, yeah. And so they are living because of their job, their education, healthcare, everything. Like, yeah, they are
And
living.
lots of
Yeah,
people, lots of students, you see, they live, village area. They want to go, city area for the, study purpose.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And can say they do engineer and think a doctor. Lots of, you know there are
Yes.
lots of facilities available in cities, in city side.
Yes, and we can learn if you are living in our village. We can learn a lot of like Indian culture, traditional, our lot of things. I think.
Yes. And
Yeah,
even if I talk about internet, okay, so I
yeah,
think you get, proper internet
yeah,
in village area. Okay.
yeah. Yeah. In city
Yes.
area, it is connectivity is very good.
Yeah,
We
very
can.
good. If you want to talk in morning time, and afternoon time, doesn't matter night time. So definitely you will get proper internet data.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Because when my you can say my family you can say lives in village area, so when I talk with my wife, with family, so at that time, I could not talk properly.
Yeah. Yes.
That's why.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have more question, madam?
No, sir, I don't have. You have mentioned all very nice and by a very precise way. So, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I think we should the wrap up the call. Okay.